I have the latest Trend Mood Box, so if you want to see what's inside this one, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collabs, giveaways, fashion, all kinds of content. If you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but means so much to us. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so Trendmood is not a subscription box. They have an Instagram site, and if you follow them, they'll start dropping what's like, oh, we're gonna have a new volume come out, and then they'll drop what's gonna be in it. They have really cute and creative ways of announcing it. And then you can go online the day it drops and maybe get one. Sometimes they sell out very quickly depending upon what's in there. The last one didn't sell out very quickly. It sold out. I don't know if this one is sold out or not, because they open up the sales and oftentimes they do sell out that same day. Now, when you buy one, what will happen is when they're getting ready to launch a new one, you'll get an email saying the first 250 people who go on and review these products, and they'll give you a link to the website. Sephora and Ulta are usually where you're going to review them. You'll get early access, which means that the night before, you will be guaranteed to get a box if you so choose to purchase one. So that's what I do. I always do the reviews. I always try all the products. I never know what they're going to review, but I try them all. I write down some notes, and then when it's time to review it, I can easily just go on and get that review done. So usually it's boom, within an hour of getting that email, I've got all my stuff done. Last time was so amazing. This one looks pretty neat too. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's dive into it. Inside, everything is packed up pretty well. So you'll see there's the tissue wrap, and then underneath it's going to be wrapped in a little package of bubble wrap. Okay. Now you will remember that last time, and if you don't remember, I'll try to remember to link that video up here. But last time the hair oil did leak out, or about a quarter of it leaked out. So I did notify them, and so you do pay, I think it's like 95 cents for Root Protect or something like that. And basically, they said, well, just reach out to the carrier, the Root Protect thing, and they will take care of you. And they did. They reimbursed me for the entire box. They're like, well, we can't replace the one product. We'll reimburse you for the entire box. I was like, well, that's more than necessary. So, okay, great. Okay, so I know there might be a lot of background noise. It's like everybody needs to talk the minute I turn my camera on. Before that, everybody's dead silent. All right, so first we have the Milani Make It Last. This is a moisture boost, alcohol-free setting spray. And then the Milani High Rated Fan Club. All right, so there is a picture of how it's supposed to make your lashes look. And so both of these from Milani. Oh, don't forget. Next from the brand By Terry is their Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. So this is a setting powder. There is a little card with some information, and it says it's infused with 8 types of hyaluronic acid. It hydrates and smooths and protects while instantly mattifying and softening the looks of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. Its weightless, translucent formula blends effortlessly for a flawless natural finish. Never dry, always comfortable, 100% natural origin, clean and vegan, your skin but perfected. And it says it's going to absorb oil and reduce shine as well. and it has only 2 ingredients, hyaluronic acid and silica. So a little information about that. Next we have Then I Met You Essence Light Sunscreen. It's got an SPF of 50. It says it's in a ferment-enriched formula that leaves skin with an essence-like glow, an innovative, glowy finish that blends effortlessly without white cast or pilling. Now, I've never heard of this brand before, so it's always exciting to try some new brands. By Herbivore, we have their Bacachol, which is it's a retinol alternative. So it says dual retinol alternative serum, but you still want to wear this at night. And it says, give your skin a lift with the power of plants. This supercharged serum contains 2 forms of Bacachol to mimic the effects of traditional retinol in a formula designed to be gentle on skin, smooth fine lines and wrinkles while improving elasticity for a sculpted, more lifted look. And because it's a retinol alternative, you can use it every day. Next, by Gent, is a hair and body mist. And this is made with red algae extract to boost collagen for revitalized skin and healthy hair. And this is in scent 01. This is made in Brazil. I have no idea what scent 01 is, so we're going to spray it and find out. It's nice. It's a little warm, a little woody. Almost has like a little bit of a vanilla undertone, I would say. Then, now this, I was really excited about this. From Lolavi is the Intensive Repair Treatment. And it's going to reduce breakage and repair the look of existing damage while protecting from future damage by harnessing the power of chia seeds and superfruit extracts with this naturally derived, intensely reparative treatment for all hair types. It is vegan, color safe, formulated without water, and fortified with bamboo essence, formulated without silicones, sulfates, and gluten. And you're going to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. You are going to put it on cleansed hair. Then follow with a conditioner. And then last, by Mally's, is their Be Glossy Smoothing Serum. This is for the body. And there is a little card that says at Mally's we create, and I could be mispronouncing this, we create clinically proven solutions for real body concerns women face at every stage of life. Whether you're toning, smoothing, firming, or hydrating, Mally's is here to enhance your routine and help you feel as good as you look. And here is the bottle, and I've been excited to try this. This is like expensive. Like, I feel like this is like $60 something at Ulta. So when I saw it was going to be in this box, I was like, heck yeah. All right, so it goes on as a clear gel. Smooths in. I don't think it has any scent. I think I'm smelling the body mist that I put on. It feels really good. Whether or not it works, we'll find out, right? Okay, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be one of the things for review, and I could be wrong. I always kind of guess. I'm going to say this, maybe this. I don't think the Milani you'll review. This is a new product, so I would be interested to see if they have you review this, because after all, I've not heard of it. Maybe it's not new. I've not heard of it. I've also not heard of this Then I Met You. I'm hoping this isn't one of the things they want you to review before summertime, because I'm not probably going to use that until summer. Well, actually, it'll be a couple weeks, so I guess it'll be fine. And maybe the Herbivore too, although I thought the Herbivore before and it wasn't one of the things we had to review. All right, let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? Mine is the Bee Glossy, and then my second one is the Low Labby hair treatment thingy, Mababi, whatever it is, intensive repair treatment. But let me know what you would be most excited to receive in this box. And again, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.